some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time, 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 time. What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time, time. You'll make it in time. Time, time. What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time.
We are inside.
Of course, the
I am videoing now. We are.
Okay.
I'm confused about this side. Alright, get out the camera.
Romeo, Kapansan.
I like how it goes up and down.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I like this.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Romeo,
Put your seatbelt on.
stop.
Mine.
Yeah.
So you guys want to go? What place?
Let's go over right there.
Mom, look at me. Look at me. I want to see out there. I want to.
Okay, go over there.
Whoa, what that?
I know. Go over there. Go. Walk.
Is that a new crabber?
Walk over there by the fishing pole. Slowly, slowly. Thank you, son. Good. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. But check it out, guys. Check it out. We're over here as promised. Here on the west side, guys. We got Mr. Romeo right there. We got the fire going off. We got Jessie girl over there, right over there, and we got Joanne and her crew over there also. Check it out, guys. Woo!
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be and you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Just let go. Just let go. Just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be and you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Just let go. Just let go. Just let go. Just let go. Just let yourself go. 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 Just let yourself go. Let yourself go.
Not too close, Eliza.
It's right here, far away. Okay? Just like that. Yeah, you're far away already. So like.
My God, Eliza. I said not too close, baby.
Oh well. It's like half burnt. Daddy! Like on fire? I like it. Let's make it!
Oh yeah?
I think I've flamed that. I never seen a fire a long time. Yeah, Dad?
Yeah.
You too. We're kidding.
Woo, look at that. Oh, this is a nice picture. I got a nice picture.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet.